Think of the million random choices that you make, and yet how each and every one of them brings you closer to your destiny.
Whatever you do, whatever choices you make, whatever details you alter, we will always end up here.
Love of mine, someday you will die, but I'll be close behind. They'll follow you into the dark, no blinding light or tunnels to gates of white, just our hands clasped so tight, waiting for the hint of a spark. And if heaven and hell decide that they both are satisfied, and illuminate the nose on their vacancy signs, if there's no one beside you when your soul embarks, then I'll follow you into the dark, and I'll follow you into the dark.